Oh yeah, guys, just enjoyed an incredible dinner at Charlie's Steakhouse. Oh my God, the snow crab, the steak, the chocolate cake, delicious. Big Indian Drift Pit crew, we got some food in us. We're gonna go back, we're gonna crash, we sip some wine. Oh yeah, tomorrow's gonna be fine, boys and girls. We're gonna try to go out, win that 10 grand, and crush Cletus. Like and subscribe, let's get into it. Oh yeah, Jeremy getting in there, getting some shots. We're on our way to the Freedom Factory as we speak, getting loaded up. Gonna go hit the Spectator drags up, folks. But they're about an hour and a half away, so it's a good time to hang out, just cruise with your buddies. This place has a lot more banking than you think once you actually get here. Oh yeah, guys, got here in the tech lane. We've already seen some really cool stuff in the pits. I like the little Crown Vic graveyard right there. I'm in the tech line. Let's go. This is sick. Back at the Freedom Factory, guys. Spectator Drags 2022 underway. There's Jack Stan Jimmy up there, a couple other guys from Cletus' shop. So I'm gonna get teched in. I got my helmet. Let's go, let's go. They even want proof of insurance. They're not messing around here. The carbon fiber bumper on this thing, oh my God. This thing is a nice build. I think he's racing it today too. Oh my goodness, look at this. Good looking Z, real tasteful. Look, this thing's in a ton of Spectator drag videos. This thing's a beast. We're a little worried about this guy. Got a 6-liter in it. He's not afraid to send it in this thing either. Yo, that is cool. That's like his little boneyard back there. That's his junkyard. All the old Crown Vics. There's some Rangers back there. Sweet. I like the Wheelman series. I wish they would have did that. Ooh, that thing sounds nasty. Still doing tech? Guys, there's a lot of awesome, cool stuff here. We're getting ready to do the parade lap. We're like just under 15 minutes away from that. That's where everyone with the drivers goes out on the track, does burnout, shows off a little bit. Pretty much just gets the crowd primed and ready. A lot of fast stuff here. Hopefully the Porsche can go a few rounds. And then they're doing a losers race. If you get eliminated round one, the losers are gonna face off, so that'll be cool. But yeah, and I thought it was a cool little video to post, like the behind the scenes, like the drivers meeting, because people don't get to see that, so I wanted to post that.
We got a hot competition ahead of us.
Yeah, it's not looking good for the old Town Country. All right, Eric got the truck, and that thing is actually really quick, but we got the launch advantage, so we'll see what happens.
Try to get that down.
Looking good, looking good. I'm absolutely in love with this car. I hope they make die casts of it. And of course, the OG. Let's go, round two, baby. This is who we got. He's fast. He's won here a few years ago. Let's see what happens. Let's go, let's go. Come on, buddy. He's trying, but it ain't enough. That Blazer keeps making laps here, just driving in a circle, trying to keep those tires warm. 3, we drew the Tesla. We'll see what we can do against them. Like I said, there's no ducks left, folks. These are all serious competitors. Whew, this is the nitty gritty. This is gonna say a lot if my man can beat him.
There you go.
Oh, hey.
He's trying. Oh, that's one. Oh, he gave it all she had. That Tesla is fast. Sucks. There you go. Oh my God, these are two good-looking cars, and these guys are both driving their balls off. What a stand-up guy. Cletus giving us that race. He didn't even want to. Oh my God, guys. I don't know when I'm going to put this outro in what video because I got so much content, but all I can say is the Freedom Factory, Big Indian Drift Pit crew, we had a blast here. I can't say enough about Cletus and his guys. We had so much fun. Like and subscribe. See you next time. Like anything for my audience?
Man, that was amazing. I just want to tell everybody, follow the Donuts for Dollars page. This is going to be our first YouTube freaking video coming out.
YouTube
Shout out
appearance.
to Steve, man. That's my YouTube mentor. Cletus, all the boys, you guys put on an amazing show. Sam, you the Don, man. I'll see you guys soon.
Yes, sir.